So as you can hear, it does howl. Thanks for tuning in and checking out yet another video. If you're new to the channel, I'm building a dream GTR build on this channel right now. Before we go any further in today's video, you will know from the title of today's video that we have straight piped the Nissan Gtr. So right now, the Nissan Gtr is straight piped. Make sure you smash the like button if you are as hyped as me on the GTR R35 Dream Show build. We've got loads of shows in 2023. It is officially 2023 right now when you are watching this channel. Make sure you come to all the car shows this year and check out the R35 Nissan GTR build. Now, quick one. I'm saving the actual full reason for a future episode, but in today's video, you must need to know we have unwrapped the car. It was wrapped for approximately 6 weeks in purple, and I just could not get my head around it in purple. It just wasn't working for me, and I wanted it back to its original base colour, which is black, looking like a Batmobile. It's black in today's episode, and I'll explain more in a future ep on the wrap situation. But today, I don't want to take any focus away from the straight pipe installation. Let's get straight into this. Yesterday, 2 days ago, I went to AC Speed Tech to get a straight pipe put on my car. Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am in the Nissan Gtr R35. As you can see, I've got my new carbon wheel, looking pretty cool on camera. I've actually got my big camera on the dashboard, which means that yeah, it's not a GoPro in the car, it's actually my actual camera, which is pretty cool. Today is a new exhaust day. Today we are going to get a straight catback pipe put on the Nissan GTR. So we've got Andy, AC Speed Tech, doing bits today. He's actually off at the moment over the Christmas New Year period, but we're having a bit of a chill out day. As you can see, I've pulled the purple wrap off the GTR. We're going to do some standard exhaust noises so we can hear before and after. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of an artsy piece. We're just going to be enjoying the day, chilled out, putting an exhaust system. Today we're doing a catback exhaust system. So on a Nissan GTR, they have a Y pipe, a straight centre section, and then a back box. And we're basically taking all the resonators out behind the downpipes. So at a later date, we might be doing downpipes, but I want to see what it sounds like straight pipe today. This is going to be a sick video. I hope you're excited. We are at AC Speed Tech in Warrington. For anyone with a Nissan R35 GTR, you know this is the place to be. If you own an R35 GTR, you know this is the place to be, because you will have heard of AC Speed Tech. I've been coming to Andy's for 8 years now. This is my third Nissan GTR, and today we are doing the first straight pipe I've ever had on a car, and we're straight piping the Nissan GTR. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a light. I'm going to show you a pretty basic inspection of the exhaust that's currently on this car. Obviously at the moment there's no resonator in the Y pipe. So at the moment there's cats up the top by the turbo. Then you've got the end of the Y pipe, which then goes into the centre section, which is along here, and then obviously the back box is underneath the bottom tray. We'll actually have more of a look of this exhaust when we pull it off the car. We could do like a bit of a comparison next to the other one. There is actually a pretty bad blow on the Y pipe somewhere there, I'm pretty sure, because I have to have the air recirculating inside the cabin, otherwise I feel high on carbon monoxide poisoning. So this is going to be amazing. We're going to get more noise out the back because it's been blowing at the front, and obviously we're going full straight pipe. So we'll do a comparison when this exhaust is off on the ground next to the other exhaust. Okay, so the Y pipe is off. As you can see, this is the 2 downpipes that I was trying to show you before that come off the back of the twin turbos.
Perfect.
Today is a fresh day and the exhaust is on, done. We were out messing around with software till after midnight, which is insane. Shout out Andy at AC Speed Tech. I'm going to show you a cold start. As you can hear, it sounds pretty insane on startup. Really cool, like you can just tell it's modified. I don't think I would do decatch, you know. I think I'm so happy with this that I wouldn't actually do downpipes. Okay, beautiful. So, first obvious one is ignore my oil pressure gauge. The sensor's broken. So that's showing like a maxed out oil pressure sensor, but ignore that. Nissan GTRs are pretty crazy. This is it's like an upgraded screen. I actually do want a normal one back in the car. I don't actually want the big screen. But having said that, with the carbon wheel, I do think it goes quite well. But if somebody out there who's got a Nissan GTR wants to swap the big screen back for the normal half screen with the classic dual controls and stuff, I would rather that. So hit me up if you are interested, if you want to swap this for a standard one. But for now, anyway, let's stick to the project. So if we go back and we go map switching, you'll see we've got 4 separate maps. You can actually change these on the steering wheel by holding cancel, pressing down, and you'll see it on the rev counter drop from 2k revs to 1k revs, 4k revs to 3k revs. Basically the 1 to the 4 on the rev counter represents the switchable maps. So we're going to start with some exhaust noises in full power mode. So we are in map 1, which is the standard, well, it's just a full power map. This has been mapped by Andy at AC Speed Tech. He is literally a guru when it comes to remapping cars and stuff. The downshifts are insane. Listen to this. That's just cruising, nothing crazy, not opening it up massively, anything like that. Just sounds crispy right down the bottom end. It's got that GTR howl from the V6 twin turbo, 3.8 litre, which is a pretty big engine. So it has got that straight pipe noise, but without all the drama of the pops and the bangs and stuff. I'm gonna go right here. Let me drop my windows. Quite a busy day. It's New Year's Day when I'm filming this content. It is quite a busy day. We're going to drop down, low down in second. We're going to do a good pull. It is a fast car, this now. It's being mapped, so it just holds the torque all the way through the rev range. It's proper cool, actually. The software that AC Speedtech's done on this is so incredible compared to what was on it. The software, he's just redesigned how the car drives. It feels like my old GTRs, which were also AC Speedtech, a little bit better. You can tell it's come on more. It's more developed since 5, 6, 7 years ago when I had my old GTRs. You can tell the map is a little bit more tweaked now. The transmission software that he's done on the car as well is like nuts. Like, listen to this is how fast it is now. Fourth. This is in its non-pops and bangs map. This is just like full power, full send, full speed map. Static. We've raised the soft limiter up to about 6k, so it should rev up a little bit higher than it did before the exhaust got put on. When you heard Andy revving it outside AC Speedtech, that was about where the soft limiter sat, so it's a bit louder here. I'm going to keep this pretty short because I am as far away from a residential area as I can be, but it is New Year's Day and a lot of people are probably pretty hungover with sore heads, and this is very loud. So I'm not going to do too many. I'll probably do 1, 2, 3, 4 revs in it and then switch it to pops and bangs for that also. We are gonna switch the car to full power, pops and bangs and roll and launch. Really like that you can actually use map 2 when you want that little bit more. And my God, it does sound ridiculous in map 2. So enjoy map 2. This is pops and bangs and roll and launch, and obviously some static revs as well in map 2. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. I think it's good that we've got the best of all worlds. That's pretty insane, to be honest. And actually, just from when the car's hot, from an idle perspective, it isn't even loud. It's nice. Like, it's enough. It's got that GTR classic noise, but not over the top. Pretty insane. So, this will be an experience for the viewers. We're in first gear. We're going to take it straight up to second. five grand. This is windows down again. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Now we're going to do the fun part, which is map 2, which is the pops and bangs with a bit of added extra sauce. Listen to this, this is crazy. So insane in pops and bangs. As you can hear, you've got the option to not have it in that setting, you've got the option to have it in that setting. I wanted to finish on that note today. What an absolute banger. Thanks to Andy at AC Speed Tech. Thanks to everyone watching the channel getting involved. Make sure you smash the like button, hit that notifications button, and more importantly, get involved in the comments below with what you want to see for the next modification. I think it's about time that I did a good cut and polish on this car, and I think it's about time that we also did a more close look artsy style video on it now that it's blacked out, bagged on its rotiform wheels. So that's going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you get involved, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you go and check out OWNA, my brand. The link is in the description. We've got crazy deals at the moment, which is a free t-shirt with every single hoodie that you order on the store. That's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, peace out.